guys, it's Brie the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. I have such an amazing haul for you guys for Walgreens this week. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling kind of lazy today, so we're gonna coupon from our house and we're gonna do this deal online using all digital coupons. I really thought Walgreens was gonna be kind of slow this week because I did not get a digital booster. Let me know if you guys did in the comments below. So I was like, oh, I don't know if it's gonna be worth it. Then I wound up putting together this deal to get $95 worth of products for a net cost of $2.35. Your out of pocket is only $38.05. So right there, you're saving like 68% out of pocket. Then you're gonna be getting some cash back from Rakuten, and we're gonna earn a little bit of rewards from Walgreens as well. It winds up turning out to be an amazing deal. So we're gonna pop over, I'm gonna share my screen with you guys and walk you through how to do it step by step so you guys can score these deals. If you are new here, take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of the channel. And it's completely free to subscribe. That way you don't miss out on easy deals that I share every single week. I share deals using all digital coupons. I haven't bought a newspaper or gotten paper inserts in like a year and a half. And it makes it so much easier and much more convenient, as well as being very beginner friendly. So if you're new to couponing and you're new to couponing at Walgreens, this is gonna be the perfect video to get your feet wet and get you excited about how much money you can save and how easily you can do it when you follow a couple steps. Before we dive in as well, I do wanna let you know, I did post a video the other day on YouTube as well as my other platforms for a nail appointment that I did where I got my nails done. It cost me $54, but I put that I made $120 with affiliate marketing. And a lot of people were like, how? Like, I don't get it. So I thought I would clarify real fast. What I do is I do social media full time. So I do this for a full-time income and I make 6 figures doing it. So what I do is I make a commission when people either sign up for apps that I use and that I recommend, like Ibotta and Shopkick and Swagbox. If I recommend a shirt that I'm wearing and I use an affiliate link from Amazon and someone purchases it, I make a small commission that way. I get paid from the different apps that I use. So YouTube pays me, TikTok pays me, Instagram pays me, etc. So that's what I was talking about in that video. Is that day I spent $54 to get my nails done. I think they're so cute. And I wound up making $120 that day just from one income stream. Obviously, I do Ibotta and Swagbucks and all these other things as well. So I am putting on a completely free webinar. It's a masterclass that's gonna be Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I'm gonna be teaching you how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. So maybe you've gotten your feet wet a little bit, but you're not making a lot of money and you're just trying to figure out really the steps on how to do it for yourself. That's gonna be in that webinar. So you can go to the website below, briecouponqueen.com/webinar to get signed up, or it'll be below for you in the description box as well. Okay, let's pop over to my computer and I'm gonna show you step by step how to score this deal. So the first step, anytime you're shopping online, you always wanna start with Rakuten. So they have an app, or you can do it as a website if you're doing it on your computer. Either way, they offer cash back to thousands and thousands of stores online. As you can see, Walgreens and CVS are on my most favorite and most visited stores because I shop there every single week. So you may as well click 3 or 4 buttons and be able to earn some cash back, and it all adds up. So my motto on this channel is, if you're gonna be spending the money anyways, you may as well get rewarded for it. So make sure the link is gonna be below for you in the description box. They also have a new user bonus. When you spend $30 plus taxes and any shipping out of pocket, you're gonna get $30 cash back. Now we're doing a deal for curbside pickup, so there's no shipping cost or anything like that. So I'm gonna walk you through how to do it. So you can sign up and get that bonus below in the description box. Then what you're gonna do is search for Walgreens at the top, because it's probably not gonna be in your most visited, obviously, if you're new to the app. So search for Walgreens, then you're gonna click on it, and it's gonna take you right over to the regular Walgreens website. That's how it links them. Then you can sign into any Walgreens account that you want. I also have the browser extension for Rakuten downloaded. I highly recommend it, because that way if you forget and you're on a website like Walgreens that uses Rakuten, this little thing will pop up and say, hey, you can get 2% cash back, click this button. You click the button and you activate the 2% cash back, and then you go on your merry way finishing your deal. So it's super easy to use. I've been working with them for like 6 years. I absolutely love them. This is not sponsored by them or anything like that. It's just a really, really great tool to save even more money by getting cash back. So now we're on the regular Walgreens website. We're gonna log into any account that we want. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to match the Rakuten account or email or anything like that. These are the products that you're then gonna add to your cart. So the first deal is going to be on L'Oreal Paris. So these, you can get shampoo, conditioner, a mix of both, doesn't matter. You want to grab 2. They're on sale, 2 for $10. You want to clip the 3 off 2, that's a manufacturer coupon. And then there's a $1.50 off 1, which is a Walgreens store coupon. Those will stack and work together like you see here. We're also using code SAVE20 for an additional 20% off, which is what is the absolute icing on the cake for this deal. Then you're gonna grab 2 Colgate toothpaste that are $4 each. There's 2 different $2 off 1 coupons that you wanna clip. When you're working with the products, when you're on the product page, you'll see the coupons over here. So you're just gonna click the plus sign, which is gonna activate them. So it shows that they're both clipped right here. So that's what you wanna do as you're adding all of these products to your cart, just clip the coupons that you'll see right here. Okay, so next we're gonna wind up grabbing one of the Oral-B toothbrushes that's on sale for $3.50. There's a $1 off 1 digital coupon. Then we're gonna grab 1 all liquid on sale for $4.99 with the $1 digital coupon. Now for my favorite deals, we're stocking up on so many razors, and razors are freaking expensive. Do not ever pay full price for razors. So the Venus, this one is on sale for $9.99 with a $5 digital coupon. Then we have another deal on the Venus disposable and Gillette disposable. They're on sale for $7.99 each, grab any 2. There's a 7 off 2 digital coupon. Next, we have a Venus razor refill. You're gonna get 6 of them. They're typically $28.99, crazy. We have a $15 manufacturer coupon and a $6 store coupon. So again, those are gonna work together on top of the promo code. Then you wanna get one of these Crest for $3.50 with a $2 digital coupon. Now these work with a digital promotion going on that you wanna make sure that you clip right here. For buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash. It is a booster that you have to clip. It's not automatic. So just make sure that you clip that offer here when you are activating all of your coupons for that deal. And then I'll show you at the end how it shows the Walgreens cash that you're gonna be earning on that promotion. So that's why you wanna do one of the Oral-B, because there's an additional $1 digital coupon, which saves you a little bit more and makes those actually completely free. And then next, we're gonna grab 2 Axe body wash, doesn't matter what scent, on sale for $5 each with a 7 off 2 digital coupon. So all the digital coupons came off. Using code SAVE20, you're saving another $7.40. So here is your order summary on the right. You have $95 worth of products. That's insane. These are the promos and coupons. This is going to include the promo code as well as... Okay, sorry, my dogs decided to lose their minds a minute. Okay, so the promos and coupons are all these store discounts, including the promo code. Then you have manufacturer coupons, another $45 off. You're paying $38.05, including taxes. So remember, for that Rakuten promotion, it has to be $30 plus taxes. So you wanna make sure that you're subtracting your taxes out of this price and make sure that you're still above the $30 mark. That's probably the number one mistake that I see people make when they're trying to do the Rakuten deal. If this total is $30, you haven't hit it because you have to subtract the taxes and you wanna be over that amount. So if you do this deal exactly, you're good to go. Now, a lot of people ask, hey, I don't have this coupon, or I don't need Axe body wash. Is there something else that I can do? You can mix and match anything that you want. This is just the scenario that I put together, which winds up being the best bang for your buck, in my opinion, because you're getting such a variety of products. And the Axe deal, for example, has such a high value digital coupon. It winds up working out really well to increase the value of the products, and it keeps your out-of-pocket super low. So then you're gonna earn back $4.78 in Walgreens cash. $4 is from the Crest and Oral-B, and then 78 cents is for the 1% back that you get automatically just for having a Walgreens account. Then you're gonna be earning back the $30 cash back from Rakuten. Now that's gonna hit your account after you pick up your order. Obviously, you can't cancel your order and still get the $30 cash back. So it's not gonna show up on your account until you pick up your order, then give it a day or two and it'll hit your account. You'll also be getting the 2% cash back as well. Now, typically, it actually counts the 2% on this face value right here, but just in case it works on your out-of-pocket cost, that's gonna be about 76 cents cash back, plus the $4.78 in Walgreens cash that you're getting. Your final cost is $2.35. Now, let's talk about your cash cost. How much real money is this actually costing you? We're paying $38.05 out of pocket. Then we're getting $30.76 cash back from Rakuten. They can deposit that right into your PayPal, and then from PayPal you can transfer it to your bank account or whatever you want to do with it. So that's going to be actual cash back. So that's going to count against our out-of-pocket cost, right? Because our bank goes down $38.05, but then it goes up $30.76. So that's what you're going to subtract. And your final cash cost for $95 worth of products is $7.29, which completely blows my mind. That is such an amazing freaking deal. I'm so excited that I found this today. So definitely place your order. A lot of these products are going to sell out, especially this one, because this is like the best deal of all the Gillette and Venus razor deals. So definitely double check on that. Make sure that it's available. Again, you can mix and match. So if one of these products is not available, that's okay. Throw something else in there. If you're trying to do the Rakuten deal, just make sure your out of pocket is $30 plus taxes, and then you'll be good to go. You do not have to get every single one of these exact products. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. I do have a printable breakdown, again, explaining the steps for Rakuten and all of these deals and everything listed below in the printable breakdown in the description box. So definitely check that out. So it kind of gives you a step-by-step guide so you can start putting these products in your cart as you're referencing the guide, just to make it as easy as possible for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that thumbs up button if you really enjoyed digital coupon deals, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.